next destination is Kyrgyzstan, and we are heading to Altan Arshan to do some hike. And our first destination is to go to Karakul. Nag-overnight lang po kami sa Karakul, and then early in the morning, nagpunta na po kami sa Altan Arshan. And it's all DIY lang po for your information. Wala po kaming guide. So, kami-kami lang. So, once a year po, I have this tradition for myself na be with my mother nature para ma-feel ko po, ma-relax po yung mind ko at the same time, maging fit din po yung katawan ko. Kasi alam nyo naman po, kapag nagkakaedad na, ay kailangan na natin magkaroon ng mga hobby to explore the world also. So please watch my video and enjoy the view of Altan Arshan.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world.
And good morning from Altan Arshan after 6 hours of hike. And we are here in Altan Arshan. October po kami pumunta, so it's off season. Walang katao.
Ang lamig dahil. Good morning. This is our accommodation in Altan Arshan. Napapatayin ka sa ginaw. Pero sa gabi lang may heater, pero sa umaga wala. So, pero tingnan niyo naman yung view sa labas. Ayan. It's 7:30 in the morning. So, we're getting ready for the breakfast. Pero malamig pa rin sa labas. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng maraming pang winter clothes talaga. Yun lang. Yun na.
Hindi naman shop man dyan.
Sarado na yan? Sarado. Hindi naman sa
Anong lasa niya no?
Wala, parang cheese. And it's time to explore Altan Arshan. So you have two choices. Pwede po kayong maglakad-lakad and pwede rin po kayong magrenta ng kabayo if marami po kayong datong. Kasi hindi po talaga biro yung prices nila dito. But affordable naman po sila. Nagbibigay naman po sila ng discount if you want to explore Altan Arshan riding a horse. So, nakakausap naman po sila nagbibigay naman po sila ng discount. So, pero kami po, we prefer to walk kasi po marami naman po kaming time during this time. At nakikita nyo po yung may mga snow na po dyan naman. Liliit, pero not too much. As of them na sa nakausap kong local, kung mag-December to April, wala yata talagang pumapunta dito sa area nito kasi mahirap po yung daan papunta dyan at malalim daw po yung snow. Pero there are some na nakikita ko po sa YouTube vlog na pumupunta pa rin sila kasi gusto nila yung adventure na ganun, na more on snow. So enjoy watching and feel the mother nature.
Touch my body tender, 'cause the feeling makes me weak. Kicking off the covers, I see the ceiling while you're looking down at me. How can we go back to being friends when we just shared a bed? How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you've never met? It was last December, you were laying on. Touch my body tender, 'cause the feeling makes me weak.
We're here in Aten Arishan. Nagala-gala kami. So, as you can see there, there's a lake. Wala lang kayo. There's the yun. Mag-video ko dun mamaya. This is the Palaboy Dome. Ayan, may sana dito. Ayan. Ako pa bahalang ikot. Okay lang mo. Okay na. Yes. Wala na siya. Eh, sundan mo. Sundan. So, ayan. Ayan.
Sige, picture na lang tayo.
Wala na siya. Ang puwet niya.
Maganda na siya o wala.
Dito tuloy siya.
Nomads. Loob kinina.
This is the yurt sa Kyrgyzstan, yung tinitirahan talaga ng mga tao noong unang panahon. So hanggang ngayon, na-preserve nila. So yan. Pero pag winter dito, sarado na yung ibang yurt kasi masyado nang malamig. Kaya? Oh. ba yan? Akala ko tea. Di ba tingin nga nakuha mo?
Huwag kang maglasing.
Akala siguro ay... So, we're taking a shortcut. Pero, mabangin ito. So, ito na po kami. Pababa na po kami ng Actin Arshan. So, napapansin niyo po ay wala po talagang katao-tao dito sa month ng Oktubre. Kaming dalawa lang po. Pero mayroon po kaming minsan na nakikita pa isa-isa, padala-dalawa. So, itong month na to ay off-season po talaga dito. And if you don't want to hike naman po ay meron naman pong Russian car na pumupunta dito. Pero mas mahal po yata ang bayad. So, nagniningil po sila ng sharing. Kung grupo kayong pupunta, mas mabuti po na mag-Russian car na lang kayo. Pero kung pa isa, dalawa or tatlo, maglakad na lang po kayo. So, pauwi na po kami dito punta ang Karakol. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoy my nature trip for this year. And I hope one day na ikaw na nanonood ngayon ng vlog ko, o ikaw na experience mo din ang nature trip na ito. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. And bye-bye. See you again in my next travel video.